Did you know that most stars in our galaxy aren't solitary like our Sun? In fact, the majority of stars prefer to exist in pairs or even larger groups. These stellar partnerships are fascinating and complex, offering a glimpse into the dynamic nature of our universe. They prefer company, dancing through space in pairs or even groups. These are known as binary or multiple star systems. Imagine two stars locked in a gravitational embrace, orbiting around a common center of mass. It's a cosmic dance that can last for billions of years. We call these binary or multiple star systems. They are more common than you might think, making up about half of all star systems in our galaxy. These systems can be incredibly diverse, with stars of different sizes, colors, and stages of life. Our Sun stands out as a bit of a loner. Unlike many of its stellar siblings, it doesn't have a companion star. This solitary nature has shaped the evolution of our solar system in unique ways. Imagine if it had a partner, another star illuminating our skies. The presence of a second sun would dramatically alter our world. The sky would be brighter, and the interplay of light and shadow would create stunning, ever-changing landscapes. How would life on Earth be different? The additional sunlight could affect everything from climate patterns to the behavior of plants and animals. Seasons might be more extreme, and the concept of night and day would be entirely different. The universe is vast and full of surprises. Our galaxy alone contains billions of stars, each with its own story. Some are solitary like our Sun, while others are part of intricate star systems. Our pale blue dot is just one tiny world orbiting a single star. Yet, this simple arrangement has allowed life to flourish in ways we are only beginning to understand. But what if our cosmic address was a bit more crowded? Living in a dense star cluster could mean a sky filled with countless stars, each one a potential neighbor. The night sky would be a dazzling display of light and color. What if, instead of one sun, we had two? The idea might seem like science fiction, but for many planets in our galaxy, it's a reality. These worlds experience a dual sunrise and sunset, a daily reminder of the complex and beautiful universe we inhabit. Life on Earth evolved under the warm glow of a single sun. This singular source of light and energy has shaped the rhythms of our days and nights, the cycles of our seasons, and the very essence of life itself. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being on our planet has adapted to the presence of this one constant star. But what if our world had not one but two suns? With two suns, the very essence of life would be different. The presence of two stars in the sky would mean a constant battle between light and shadow, heat and cold. Days would be longer, and nights might be almost non-existent. The gravitational pull of two suns could also affect the planet's orbit, leading to unpredictable seasons and extreme weather patterns. Plants might develop new ways to photosynthesize, using the combined light of both stars. They could evolve iridescent leaves to capture and reflect the varying intensities of light, or develop entirely new pigments to make the most of the dual sunlight. The flora of such a world would be unlike anything we have ever seen, with colors and shapes that defy our earthly expectations. Animals might have unique adaptations to survive the intense heat and radiation. They could develop thicker skins or reflective scales to protect against the harsh rays, or evolve nocturnal habits to avoid the relentless daylight. The fauna of this world would be a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, finding ways to thrive in conditions that would be inhospitable to us. Imagine looking up and seeing two suns in the sky. The sight would be both awe-inspiring and disorienting, a constant reminder of the unique nature of this world. The interplay of light and shadow would create a landscape of stark contrasts, with areas of intense brightness and deep darkness coexisting side by side. One might be larger and brighter, while the other could be smaller and cooler. This difference in size and intensity would add another layer of complexity to the environment, with each sun casting its own unique light and heat. The larger sun might dominate the sky during the day, while the smaller one could provide a softer, more diffuse light in the evening. The interplay of their light would create breathtaking sunsets and sunrises unlike anything we see today. The sky would be painted with a palette of colors that shift and change as the suns move across the horizon, creating a visual spectacle that would be both beautiful and otherworldly. But this beauty would come at a cost. The intense heat and radiation from two suns could make the surface of the planet a harsh and unforgiving place. Water might be scarce, and the land could be dry and barren. Life would have to find ways to adapt to these extreme conditions, or risk being driven to extinction. In the end, a world with two suns would be a place of both wonder and danger, a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the universe. Two suns would mean double the solar radiation. Earth's average temperature would soar, making our current climate seem mild. The days would be scorching hot, pushing the limits of human endurance. But the nights, with both suns below the horizon, could be brutally cold. This extreme temperature swing would wreak havoc on our weather patterns. Intense storms, powerful hurricanes, and unpredictable shifts in climate would become the norm. Imagine a world where deserts stretch across continents and the polar ice caps are a distant memory. The gravitational dance of two suns is a delicate one. Earth's orbit would be far more complex, possibly elliptical and prone to significant wobbles. Our planet might even be pulled into a dangerous dance between the two stars, risking collisions or being ejected from the system entirely. Our moon too would be affected. Its orbit would be perturbed by the gravitational tug-of-war between the two suns and Earth. Tides would become unpredictable, with extreme highs and lows. Despite the challenges, life is tenacious. If life could arise on Earth under one sun, it's plausible that it could adapt to survive under two. Creatures might develop reflective skin to cope with the intense heat or evolve nocturnal lifestyles to avoid the scorching daytime temperatures. Plant life would also be radically different. Imagine trees with metallic leaves to reflect sunlight or plants that have adapted to thrive in extreme heat and arid conditions. The very definition of a habitable zone would need to be rewritten in a two-sun system. When worlds collide, a cosmic cataclysm. Having two suns isn't just about beautiful sunsets and challenging climates, it also introduces the possibility of cosmic catastrophes. What if one of the stars in our binary system was a giant star nearing the end of its life? As it exhausts its fuel, it could explode in a supernova, a cosmic event so powerful that it could obliterate everything in its path, including our planet. Life on Earth, having adapted to the challenges of two suns, could be wiped out in an instant. The double sunrise, a sight to behold. Imagine standing on a distant planet witnessing not just one, but two suns rising over the horizon. The sky would be painted with a palette of colors that we can only dream of. The first sun, a brilliant yellow, would cast its warm glow, while the second, perhaps a cooler blue or a fiery red, would add a surreal touch to the scene. This celestial dance would create a breathtaking spectacle, a daily reminder of the wonders of the universe. But let's end on a positive note. The serene sunrise over an ocean on Earth is already a magnificent sight, but imagine the added beauty of a second sun. The reflection of two suns on the water would create a mesmerizing display, with ripples of light dancing across the surface. The morning sky would be a canvas of ever-changing hues, a masterpiece painted by the hands of nature. Imagine waking up to a sky painted with the hues of two sunrises. Each day would begin with a unique and awe-inspiring view, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the cosmos. The vibrant colors of dawn, amplified by the presence of two suns, would fill the sky with shades of pink, orange, and purple, creating a scene that is both familiar and otherworldly. The colors would be spectacular, with shades we can't even imagine. The interplay of light from two suns would create a dynamic and ever-changing sky, with patterns and colors that shift and evolve throughout the day. This stunning display would be a constant source of wonder and inspiration, a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the universe. Our nights would be filled with the soft glow of two moons illuminating the darkness with an otherworldly beauty. The gentle light of the moons would cast long shadows and create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The night sky, adorned with two glowing orbs, would be a sight to behold, a tranquil and mesmerizing scene that invites contemplation and reflection. The night sky wouldn't just be about stars anymore. The presence of two moons would add a new dimension to our nocturnal view, creating a celestial landscape that is both familiar and alien. The constellations we know and love would be joined by the twin moons, creating a sky that is rich with stories and mysteries waiting to be discovered. We'd have a second sun, a constant companion in the cosmos. This second sun would not only light up our days but also influence our seasons, tides, and even the way we perceive time. The dual suns would create a unique and dynamic environment, a world where the rhythms of life are shaped by the interplay of two celestial bodies. Its presence would spark curiosity, inspire new myths and legends, and forever alter our understanding of our place in the universe. The sight of two suns in the sky would be a powerful reminder of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos, a source of endless fascination and wonder. It would challenge us to look beyond our own world and explore the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the horizon. Reimagining our place in the cosmos. The idea of Earth orbiting two suns challenges our very understanding of what's possible. It forces us to reevaluate the conditions necessary for life and to imagine worlds vastly different from our own. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and our little corner of it is just one tiny example of the incredible diversity that exists out there. What if a universe of possibilities? So, what if Earth had two suns? It's a question that sparks the imagination and pushes the boundaries of scientific inquiry. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of endless possibilities. What do you think life would be like under the glow of two suns? Thanks for tuning in to this cosmic adventure. What do you think? How would two suns change life on Earth? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations. And remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, so follow for more space updates here on Cosmic Chronicles. See you in the next one.